Hi, English 102 online students. My name is Mrs. Rojas, and I'm going to be your instructor for English 102 online this semester. So this is just a quick video to get you oriented to the course, to show you how to navigate everything, where to find the most important information to be successful in this course, and where to find your assignments each week. So we'll get started with looking at some of the links that you see on the left side of the screen. Welcome is going to take you to the main homepage of our Blackboard course, so you can always come here, scroll down, take a look at my announcements. If you click on more announcements, or if I've posted an announcement for the week, you'll see that pop up there, or it'll take you to the page where all the announcements are. And it's always a good idea to take a look there if you want to go back to a previous week's announcement to see maybe a description of a homework assignment or something like that. Under discussions, you're going to see the page with all the discussion forums that we'll be using throughout the semester. And you can come here directly to complete a discussion forum assignment, but you can also link to these directly from the module folders that I'll show you in just a few minutes. A couple of forums to be aware of here. One is the Course Cafe. One is the Course Concerns and Feedback Forum. Both of these are forums where you can ask general questions about English 102 online. You can chat with classmates, ask questions of them. Maybe a couple of you might have similar research topics, or you want to reach out and see if anybody has a similar research topic to you and share some resources. That might be a good place to do that in the Course Cafe. Course Concerns and Feedback, that is a forum where you can post anonymous questions about the course. Maybe there's something you have a concern about, a question, and you don't want to throw it out there to everybody. You can post that question there. But before you submit your post to that forum, just make sure that you check anonymous. There's an option to do that before you post, and that way your question will be anonymous. Nobody will know who you are. And I will check these forums regularly to see if anybody has questions or needs help with anything. Groups is another place that we'll come to a couple of times. You'll have direct links to this also in the module folders that are located in My Classroom. These groups are where you're going to be sharing some writing that you'll be doing on a couple of different essay assignments. So you'll get more instructions about that later on in the semester. Okay, tools is just a place for you to access various tools that are available in Blackboard. Probably My Grades is one that you'll come here for. Maybe the calendar might be another one. You can go ahead and take a look through all of those at your leisure. And then under instructor information, you'll find out a little bit about me, what my background is, how long I've been teaching at Lander, how you can reach me either through my office phone. Probably better to email me though, because I answer my emails regularly, but I might not always be in my office to answer my phone. Office hours are also located there. Since we're an online course, I am teaching on campus, and you're welcome to access those office hours on campus in person, but you can also schedule a virtual office hour visit with me too, if that's more convenient for you. All right, under course information, here you'll see our course syllabus. You'll see the course calendar. I definitely encourage you to take a look at this course calendar at least at the beginning of every week. There you're going to be able to see all of our assignments. They're all laid out for you very clearly week by week. We can open it up and just take a quick look. I won't explain it line by line, but at least you can take a look at how it's organized. So each week of the semester, you'll see the topics that we're covering, the assignments that you're going to be completing. When we go into My Classroom and I show you the module folders, you'll see how these assignments are numbered, which makes it really easy to keep track of them. So you'll see the assignment numbers, the module folder it's located in, and the due date. So every week when you come here, like I would encourage you to do this on Sunday nights. I'll be sending out my weekly messages to you on Sunday nights with reminders about assignments that are due. But if you come and look at this course calendar at the beginning of every week, you'll also see the same information. So it will be a good way to keep yourself on track. Okay, so going back to our Blackboard site, you'll also see here the course syllabus. One of your assignments is to do a syllabus scavenger hunt this week. So you're going to be looking for some important information from the syllabus. You'll see here all the contact information for me. As you scroll down, you'll see some information about English 102 and the goals of the course. You'll also see the writing requirements, the major essay assignments you'll be working on this semester. You'll see a little bit about grading of weekly assignments. So in addition to major writing projects, you'll also have some smaller homework assignments that you'll be working on that will help you prepare for those larger essay assignments. There is an extra credit opportunity of visiting the Writing Center on campus, so be sure to take a look at that. It tells you also a little bit about attendance requirements in an online course, a little bit about the late policy for assignments. Be sure to take a look at that. That's a really important one. And also some information about how to submit your assignments electronically throughout the semester. Okay, so I won't read through it all word for word, but those are some of the highlights that you should definitely be taking a close look at in the course syllabus. And like I said, one of your assignments is to go through the syllabus and find some specific pieces of information to get familiar with the course and the course policies. All right, so now that we've gone through all of these links, let's go ahead and jump into My Classroom. This is where you're going to come every week for all of your assignments. And so this is the video you're watching right now is going to be placed right here. So that's where you'll be coming to see the course introduction. Underneath that, you'll see a section for course modules, also another link to the discussion forums. We're going to go ahead and click on course modules. Course documents. This folder has some general documents that you'll find useful throughout the semester. You find an MLA template. There's also an APA template in the latest editions of those styles. You'll have the option of using one or the other in this English 102 course. Students who are majoring in education or psychology, often the APA is a very useful style for those subject areas, so I would encourage you to consider using this style and getting used to it in this semester. If you're planning on majoring in those areas, it will really help you later. If you're already familiar with MLA, you're also welcome to use that too. So the choice is totally yours. You'll learn about both, or you'll have the option to learn about either or in this semester. You'll also see here the grading rubric for your major essay assignments. There's a separate grading rubric for our annotated bibliography assignment, so you'll find both of those here. You'll also do an online presentation. You won't be giving a presentation to the entire class, but to me, I will be your audience on your final research project. So you'll see the rubric here for that. And finally, a graphic about how to collaborate online. Since you'll be doing some discussion forum assignments, this is a good place to come to get some advice on how to ask questions of your classmates, how to get more information from them, etc. Okay, we'll take a look at one other item, and that is the list of modules. So we have Module 1 all the way through the final module. And since we are a 15, 16 or so week semester, it's about 2 weeks on average per module. Some might be a little shorter, some might be a little longer, but they're grouped into different topics. So Module 1 is where we'll get started this week. That's the Getting Started module. And for each module, you'll see a description of the goals that we want to accomplish in that module. So this week, we'll watch a brief course orientation video. That's what you're doing right now. You'll get to know your classmates through a discussion forum assignment. You'll learn about course assignments and policies, and you'll complete a few introductory activities to get on the path to great writing and research. And you can basically look through the rest of those modules, just explore around a little bit just to see how everything works. Okay, so that's pretty much everything for the course orientation video. That should get you started. It shows you the main components of what you need to be able to find throughout the next 15 weeks or so. I'm really excited to be working with you. This is a class that I've taught online for about 4 or 5 years now. So I really enjoy it. I really love getting to help students learn how to be great researchers, improve their writing skills, and just become curious professionals ready to, tackle their passions in the world. So I'm really excited to be working with you, and I'll see you all in various videos throughout the semester, and I wish you very good luck. Bye-bye.